can't forget. Even when the night feels cold, you're the warmth I still hold. I'm missing you more than words can ever say. Reaching out for you though you're so far away. If the wind could carry my heart straight to you, you know I'm still here aching, missing you. I walk the streets we used to roam. Every corner whispers come home. Time moves on but I stay still, caught in space your absence fills. If dreams are all that bring you near, I'll fall asleep to keep you here. And if tomorrow brings the truth, I'll still be waiting, waiting for you. I'm missing you more than words can ever show. Every night I pray somehow you'll know. If the stars could carry my voice back to you, they shine out your name, 'cause I'm missing you. I'm missing you. 원한 분위기나 더 짧거나 긴 버전도 만들어줄게요. 나의 말 더 길게 만들어줘. 챗GPT의 말.
좋아요. 아까 만든 가사를 기반으로 더 길고 풍부한 스토리로 확장한 영어 가사를 만들어 드릴게요. 원하면 멜로디 같은 미너 잔여도 바꿔드릴 수 있어요. Missing you, I still am not your baby. This sounds like you.
I'm missing